If you're about to sneeze, don't hold it in. I know we've all done this at some point in our lives, but let me actually show you what happens when you do that. When you sneeze, the air travels at speeds reaching over 100 miles per hour. If you block it, that force doesn't disappear, it has to be released somewhere. So the pressure gets forced backwards into your sinuses, your ears, and even deep into your soft tissues of your head. And this is where the damage happens. Neurologists found that this pressure creates microscopic hemorrhages in your hippocampus, basically tiny brain bruises. Each time you suppress a sneeze, that sudden internal pressure can rupture delicate blood vessels, stress the eardrums, and force air into spaces it's not supposed to go. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, don't hold it in, let it out. And if you found this helpful, follow and share it with someone else who needs to know.